Draw ellipse by concentric circle method. Take major axis 140 mm and minor axis 90 mm long. Also draw normal and tangent on the curve at a point 30 mm above the major axis. First, draw major axis line with the dimension 140 mm. Draw another line is on center point as a perpendicular is a 90 mm. 45 mm this side, 45 mm this side. Given to name A to B is a major axis, C to D is a minor axis. Draw intersect point is a O or center point. Take a radius O to A is a radius. First take a radius O to C and draw circle passing through C or D point. Next O to A or O to B, anyone. Draw one more circle with the center point O. Any circle divide in equal parts. So this is a total is a 12 part of circle divided, all are equal. From outer circle draw the vertical line, each point cutting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. In inner circle cutting point draw horizontal line. Here draw horizontal line each point. So both line intersect point. So draw this a vertical line from outer circle cutting point and a horizontal line from the inner circle cutting point. This is a meet one point new. So on all 10 lines. After cutting this all point, join by freehand curve starting from A to this point, D, this point, go for ellipse form. Automatically come to ellipse form. Draw freehand curve. This is called to ellipse. This is the name of curve is a ellipse. Next, how to draw normal and tangent on this curve. So first mark a distance from O point to C line. How much distance is 30 mm. This is a 30 mm. And draw one horizontal line passing through this 30 mm point and cut this two new points on the new curve, ellipse curve. Is a given to name P. Next, O to A is a radius, center pointer C. Cut arc on major axis line, both direction. Given to foci point is F1 and F2. So F1 and F2 joined by the P point, by the line, a dark line. And now is a triangle create a P, F1 or F2. So this triangle, this angle divided in equal two parts. So this is called to normal. So this angle divide equal two parts. This is a normal. And on this point draw one line but perpendicular on normal. This is called to tangent. This is a tangent. So thank you for watching this video.